Association, Andrew Saki Williams, who is a technical director at the Ghana Judo Association. We also have Kwab Asamoah, who is an executive director at the Ghana Judo Association. They are going to show us some skills as to how to defend yourself if you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to use force. So, gentlemen, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so what are you going to perform to us, or what are you going to show us today?
Okay. I'm Kwab Asamoah, as Madame have said, with the Ghana Judo Association. I have the pleasure of being here with Sensei Williams, who has over 40 years of training, mentoring, and coaching within this industry.
Okay.
So today we're going to show basic moves that you can do at home without having to go through extensive training that you can do to protect yourself in various scenarios.
Wow. Okay. So please do make sure that you take us through the steps. So somebody like me can learn, because I watch Karate Kids. Please show us how you do it.
So now we take it from here. A hand scissor. He seizes my hand. I can go. Supposing I have a bag, he's trying to pick it up. So I just move in, slap. I can continue from here. I try again, full hand scissor. And then you'll have to rest. Okay? You can do anything from him. You can slap, you can hit. Double. Okay. Double. So what is double hands? 2 hand scissor. Okay, you open up, you hit the groin of whoever it is. Hit the groin, change it up. You break it, you can throw him down, you can take him down. Okay? So, if a hit from a slap, you don't wait till the slap comes in. Up, hit. Okay? You go in here with them. Stop him. Half to the nose. Whatever it is. You can do so many things. Break the bones. Anything. Because it's you. Your safety. Same way. You can have this. Okay. Hit. So sorry. Okay. Throw it. You move in. You can do so many things around him. So these are the basic things that you can. From behind, if I'm moving normally for rapes and other attacks, okay, how do you do this? Do this. Then you can go down from behind. Just throw.
Okay, I am really loving the demonstration. However, do you think that somebody, let me use myself as an example. Me being a very small girl, very petite girl, can I lift somebody who is maybe 3 times bigger than me and then throw them on the floor? Or there's a particular technique that you use to lift weight with your small body?
Yes.
Okay.
Coach is going to show that judo is not about size or muscle.
Okay.
It is judo represents the gentle way because it is about leverage. And anybody, even a child who's 5 years old, can do the same move on me, understanding leverage.
Wow.
So coach is going to show a throw that we have that's pretty simple that anyone can do just using leverage.
Okay.
So let's assume he comes here, holds me. All that I need to do, wrap up to the waist. Keep this on. So you continue. You can do. This is a simple act.
Okay.
Same way, you can hit. When you have a good shoe, you can hit this portion. When behind, try to attack. You hit this so that you hit. You lift them. Okay? Then you can get him down. So all that you need to do, let's go down.
I think I want to try. I really want to try this move. Okay. So should I take off my shoes?
Yes, please.
Okay, let me take off my shoes.
For safety?
For safety reasons.
Okay, so I'm coming. So you do exactly the same way. You are a lady, come this way, come this way. You go in.
Yes.
And I look around, nobody coming. So we'll go, keep going. So I do this.
And what do I do?
Just hold my this.
Okay.
Hold my hand firmly.
Yeah.
Now hit my foot
Okay.
with your leg.
Okay.
No, the other one.
Okay.
Stamp it.
Okay, like.
Yes.
Yeah.
So when you stamp it, they go on your knee.
Okay. Okay. There you go. Guys, it's extremely easy to do. I just did this. I'm so proud of myself. But show us one more skill that one can learn to defend themselves when they find themselves in any situation here. So please go ahead.
Okay. Typically, sometimes you have people who want to attack you with a weapon. Okay, so it can come with a knife at you. Move out of the way. Control the wrist. Turn. Simple.
Okay. Wow.
The main thing is to make sure all you have to do is move out of the way. Okay. Control the wrist. Turn the wrist. The person will go where the wrist goes.
Okay.
So you take the knife from here. You can do. If you don't mind, you can stab him. You won't kill him. You just.
Wow, brilliant. Well, thank you very much. That was an amazing demonstration by Andrew Saki Williams, who is a technical director at the Ghana Judo Association, including Gwab Asamoah, who's also a director executive at Ghana Judo Association. Yes. And where can we find you to go for training if we need to?
You can also go to the Ghana Judo Association. You can find us at various clubs. We have 23 clubs throughout the country, all the way from Sakumoto to Stadium, to Ridge, to Airport, and Sawam. If you go to our website, as well as Facebook, you can Google and find all the different clubs, GhanaJudo.com.
Oh, okay, well, thank you very much for that information, and thank you very much for coming on the AM Club. You both are officially AM Club members, whether you like it or not. I've officially initiated both of you, so thank you very much for coming.